Coastal flooding may be an issue, so water may be a little deep today, but not by much. This is just minor stuff, but still, it's enough to cause a problem. Eastern Long Island bearing the brunt of the heavier or steadier rain. There are some pockets where it's dry. Sussex, parts of Orange County. Sometimes I have to look this way to kind of get a view of it. About eastern end of Long Island, we're seeing some hefty downpours across the area. So if you're traveling along on the LIE and Islandia, Sector Coast Parkway, South Huntington along the northern, you'll probably encounter some puddles. Let's take a look at some of those radar indicated totals to give you an idea of what we're working with right now. Particularly, we're seeing some of the higher totals right now. Valley Cottage, 1.2 inches. Montvale, just short or shy of 1.5 inches, just below an inch. That's in Irvington, White Plains area. More like Irvington, White Plains maybe a little bit less, closer to possibly a half an inch. So anticipate rain still steady right through the morning commute. We may get a little bit of a reprieve later on this morning, early afternoon, but just plan for that morning commute to be quite dicey throughout. There will be pockets where you notice things will let up a little bit right at around the noon hour. Take a look. If you're in Somerset County, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, a little bit of a reprieve for the time being. That lull doesn't last too long. Eastern Long Island, we do a switcheroo right around the 5:30 half hour, a little bit of a break, but look at how it's filling in. Remember, we have that wraparound moisture from that coastal low that's going to reinforce that rain. We get some breaks, scattered showers possible for tomorrow. Temperatures remaining in the 40s and 50s today, tomorrow, and we'll even get some breaks in the clouds later on in the afternoon, early evening for your Friday. In the meantime, rain heavy at times, gusty winds, minor flooding, travel delays, airways, by sea, by roads, by hopefully not by train, but like here's a look at rainfall totals, half an inch or so. I take this with a grain of salt. Some areas higher. Just figure 1 to 2 plus inches because there could be higher amounts locally. Winds gusting into the 20s, 30s, even 40 plus miles per hour. We could possibly get some record numbers when all is said and done. Lowest highs, we'll see. Good chance of that. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. Struggling today, tomorrow, unseasonably cool, but getting right where we should be on Memorial Day. Alexa.